recipe for you and you are just going to love it. Everybody loves prawns, and when they are spicy and crispy fried, they are going to be excellent. So for this recipe, we have got around 15 medium sized prawns. We have kept its tail on and the last shell on, and we have removed the thorn which is there, and we are going to make a batter out of chickpea flour or besan, and to 3 teaspoons of chickpea flour we have added 2 tablespoons of rice flour. That gives a nice crispiness. Our some regular spices which will have a teaspoon of coriander powder, teaspoon of jeera powder, a little bit of turmeric, a teaspoon of red chili powder, some ajwain and some black pepper powder. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste which I have added little Kashmiri chili while making it, which gives a nice red color. Some finely sliced green chili and some finely chopped coriander. For this recipe we are also going to use some curry leaves or kadhi patta. What you need to do is take some large size leaves and place them on each other like this, and then roll it like a cigar. Once you roll it like a cigar, take your knife and do a fine cut like this. So once this goes to the batter, it not only adds flavor but it becomes crispy and gives a nice taste. So that is how we are going to add it to our batter. So we will keep this on one side. When you look at a prawn, anytime when prawn is cooked, it goes curl like this. So what we have done is we have actually deveined these prawns by using a Chinese or a Japanese method where we used a toothpick and removed the vein from this side. And now what we are going to do is on the other side, we are going to give small cuts which will prevent prawn from going curl while frying. So it will try to stay as straight as possible. I'll show you on a bigger prawn. See the side opposite to the thorn, you just have to place it on the table and use a knife and give small slits just a millimeter or 2 millimeter inside the prawn, which will open up its muscle and it will become straight. So while cooking also it will remain straight. So let's do that for all the prawns and then we will start the next process. So we have straightened all our prawns. Let's add them to a bowl. Let's add our curry leaves to it as well. Chopped coriander, chopped chili, the ginger garlic paste, ajwain and all these spices. And we will need here around a half teaspoon of salt. We can check that as we go. Give it a light mix. We'll add a juice of half a lemon as well. Let's give it a nice mix. See, we are not going to make a batter separately. In this prawns itself, we are going to add our chickpea flour and the mix of chickpea flour and rice flour and slowly do the coating in them itself. So little different technique, but the result will be fantastic. So let us add our flour one by one. Let's start by adding 2 tablespoons first. I'm going to use my hand so that we can mix it well. The flour will slowly start to coat the prawns. So I have given little mix to our flour. To this what we are going to add is few drops of water. Very few drops. You just have to drizzle like this and then add the another spoonful of flour mix and again give it a mix. You have to do this process couple of times till our prawns are nicely coated. So our prawns are now nicely coated with the batter. Now you need to heat your oil to medium heat and patiently fry those prawns one by one. While taking from the bowl, take some coating batter with it and then patiently leave them in the oil. Don't overcrowd the pan, just do 3 or 4 at a time. So in 2 to 3 minutes our prawns are beautifully cooked, they are nice and crispy. You can see, and they have retained their shape, they have not become curled like normally a prawn would do. So just remove them and serve it some ketchup. Let us do that. So our spicy crispy prawns are absolutely ready. It's such a mouth-watering dish. If you do this for your family and your guests, they're going to just love it. For a seafood lover, there is nothing better than a crispy fried prawns like this. For more of such interesting recipes, please do subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon so whenever we put a new recipe, immediately you will come to know. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, and happy cooking.